Yeah. So she was, the only thing she did was just checking her social media and the the profile, the WhatsApp DP, and the updates of her boyfriend. So every 2 hourly she had to do this. Every 2 hourly she had to do this. Like even when she was giving me this history, when she was sitting in front of me, the only thing she was doing was just checking the social. See, now ma'am, he's with this girlfriend. Now ma'am, he's with it. Now he's sitting in this cafe. Like she was constantly, although she knew that now it's a final time, because this thing had happened before also. This guy had dumped her for 3 4 times. Like whenever she was very close to him, he'll just say that now it's a breakup and we'll not meet. And when this girl started moving on, like initially when it was not very serious, he started moving on, then he'll again come back, he'll show his face again and again. He'll just stand outside her house, and he'll be standing for hours. He'll talk to her mother, he'll try to talk to her sister, and somehow he would woo her back. So this happened for 3 4 times, and she said ki now it's really a pain, like I know that I want to come out of this now. This is the final time and I can't take this anymore. So she wanted my help to come out of this. So now this is a this is a case in which she is disappointed in love. She was dumped by her boyfriend, and it was not the first time when this was happening. She said he was a flirt. He had many, many girlfriends, that, and he had narcissist traits also. When she discussed these traits, I told the word. She did not know this word, but she knew that something is wrong with him. Like he had many girlfriends. And he belonged to a very, very rich family. She said that the amount of money which he spent daily in cafes and giving gifts to his girlfriends was about 50 to 60,000. So this was the amount he spent daily, 50 to 60,000 of rupees just on cafes and drinks and all kind of such activities. So this girl, she had topped in 12th standard. In spite of everything going on, such kind of things going on with her in life, she topped in 12th standard. This girl was so committed to her studies also at the same time. All throughout the day, she used to think of him, and like she knew that he will say something which will spoil my mood. So she said ki, till the time he is good to me, I used to study. Lest he said something so that it spoils my mood and I'm not able to study. So, like she says, now his mood is good, so my mood is good, so I'll study. So she used to, sit whole night and complete her studies. He always said mean things to her, but she used to allow this abuse to be taken every time. This went to the extent, the exam thing, that her mother used to call him and tell him, ki, please, now it's her exam time. You don't say mean things to her so that her studies are affected. So this was the kind of dynamics which was going on. The mother also couldn't do anything to stop this girl from talking to that guy since 1 or 2 years. And she knew that he was a pain, but just seeing her daughter's inclination towards him, she had to give in. So this relationship went on to the extent that this girl, she, whenever there was a call from him, she never sat with the family for dinners. And she did these last 1 or 2 years, she was totally, she was so much involved with him that she did not have time for her own family. And she made herself so available for him that whenever he called her, she had to leave everything and talk to him. She used to go, like if she was having some meal together with the family, there was a call, and then immediately she'll leave her food on the table and she'll go into the room and she'll talk to him for hours. So this was the kind of lifestyle this girl was living. Her mother said that she's totally lost touch with us, because of that guy. She has lost touch. She doesn't laugh with us, she doesn't talk to us, she doesn't speak to us, she doesn't discuss anything. She's totally she seems like she's only coming home to meet him or talk to him. So now what he was doing is that the torture, she kept on texting. He used to show all his like, I'm going here, I'm with this girlfriend, I'm with this girlfriend, and this girl was following him throughout on the social media posts. And then she was almost texting him every 2 hours. She was texting him, please talk to me. She was literally begging him for that relationship, in spite of knowing that it is time for her to come out of this, and this is a final stand she has to take. So this is the helplessness. This girl, she used to feel so helpless that she understood everything but was not able to leave him and stop thinking about him. She knew that she will lose everything if she continued this relationship. She was understanding that it was an abusive relationship. Her parents were also helpless looking at her condition, but she just kept crying, and she just kept checking. So this was the state of affairs. Like, even the mother came and cried, like, I want my daughter back now. I don't want my daughter back. She is not with me, and this, I know she is not able to survive this kind of situation which is going on. So this is a kind of, this is a picture, this is a quote which I read, and this is the exact condition which I felt. The little girl, she was just 17. She was so fragile. She's so frail. And she was also anemic also. Passed in, she was registered with me for anemia. She is now with a hematologist. She has those thalassemia traits also. So this was the exact situation I felt. It's a dark journey that will throw you into spells of depression, rage, loneliness. It will unravel your deepest insecurities, leaving into a lingering emptiness that haunts you every breath. But ultimately, it will heal you. You'll become stronger than who you ever imagined. You'll understand who you are meant to be. So this is the exact state the girl was going, and she knew that she has to come out. She says, I've lost myself. I know I am not what I'm supposed to be. I know I can be stronger, but only if I can be, release these clutches of this narcissist person. So she said, I know that this is a time to let go, but I'm not able to let go, ma'am. Her gesture was here, ma'am, I should let go. I should let go. I'm not able to let him go. I know he's not the right person for me. I know he's using me. I know he's abusing me, but I'm not able to let go. The gesture was here on letting go. She says, I'm holding on to him. I know it's a useless relationship. One point which came to my mind is, she after this guy just for his money, because he was a filthy rich kind of a person. But she says he has given me many many gifts, the costly gifts, but I've never opened also. I love those boxes, but I've never even opened many of the boxes, and now I want to return all those gifts, because if those boxes are there in my cupboard, those gift wrap things are there in my cupboard, I will not able to forgive him. I've let him go. So she just said that I go to my cupboard, I open my wardrobe, and I want to take those things, and I just want to throw these things at his house. But she was not able to do this. So she said, yeah, she was almost on a brink of a nervous breakdown. This girl, she was not able to stay alone at night. When I gave her some remedies, as when we work, sometimes it's not possible to give the right remedy in the very first session, right? So I gave her some remedies and some counseling, and some support system, that whenever you feel like you don't have to. She blocked him one day. She had that strength after some counseling or some partially similibums. So she said, now I'm able, she could block him. And although she was tempted, in spite of blocking him on his WhatsApp, she says, I just follow him through Insta. At least one portal she kept open, so that she sees what he's doing, where he is, with whom he is. So she said, now throughout the day, she was able to let him go. But at night, she says, whenever the night come, I want to continuously talk to him. She'll see the phones. She will wish that he talks to him. She'll sit alone. She'll cry. So this was the most painful part of her day, that she was not able to stay alone at night. And this was a time when her elder sister used to go to her room and sleep with her, and just try to see that she's happy, she is diverted. They'll try to talk out some movies, some songs. So the whole family, her mother, her father, her sister, her brother, both four of them were after her so that she could come out of these relationships, because this was not the first time this was happening, and they wanted to make sure that this is the final time when she should be out of him. But this was the thing which was stopping her to come out, the night time. When I asked her the other parts of her, who she is, other than this particular situation, what we do try to do is who this person is, like, her other hobbies, her fantasies, her fears. So we have seen her fear. This was a fear, right? She couldn't stay alone at night. Now, what are her fantasies and hobbies? So she has a pet dog, which she calls Zoe. So she has the same kind of, she says, ki, ma'am, you want me to come out of this relationships, but I know even if I make other friends, like during this time, she has stopped her 12th and she went for her chartered accountancy courses. This was a crucial time of her career, and she says ki, because of him I did not leave my city. Most of what happens in my city, like, it's a semi metro, it's not even a metro. So most of the students of my city, they want to go to metros like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. So she also wanted to do same thing. She wanted to go to a metro and do her further studies. But because she was here with this person, she says, ki, I never took my career seriously also. So the only thing she could do here was she started this chartered accountant courses. But again, she said, ki, I'll make the same kind of friendship. I do, my pattern is same, ma'am. I will need, like, even if I dump this relationship, I discontinue, I make the same kinds of friendship. So even she was aware that there is some kind of pattern within her. So now she has a Zoe in her life. So she has the same kind of attachment with the dog. Even when she's away, she'll keep calling home whether Zoe has eaten something or not. So, like, even when she was out of town, she used to call that, is Zoe okay? Is Zoe okay? If there was some vaccination set for her dog, she will always call home and make sure that the dog has taken the vaccination, the dog has taken the medicines. And she didn't like anybody calling him a dog. It was Zoe for him, like Zoe. So she's not able to sleep after the breakup. She sleeps with Zoe. Her elder sister does not. Her elder sister now, she went out again for the course. So now she's sleeping with the dog. She said she got into affair with this guy when her elder sister and a cousin were out of town for the studies. So she said this was the time, when she got. I asked her what attracted you towards this guy, because as you say, there I couldn't see any quality in that person. Like, how could you land up with such a person? So she said ki, I was totally alone in my family, like her elder sister, her cousins, they were all out for studies and she was alone in this big home. So that was the time, she says, I was very lonely, and this person, he gave me some importance. He used to like whatever I said. He used to laugh on whatever I say. He used to give me that importance. And that is what she felt, that, that was the time that she fell in for this person. He used to give her expensive gifts. She wanted to return those gifts back. She cries when she sees these gift boxes. She has not even unwrapped many of these gifts. These gifts, meant something to her. So now this is the case. So how do we analyze? Any clues? Anyone wants to say something about the case? Anybody get some clue?
fear, loss of love,
Yeah.
want to live alone. So
Yes.
these analysis main symptoms.
Yeah.
Too much of dependence.
Bhavika, your voice is breaking. So what do we see in this case? What is that? What is to be healed? You know, the question which I ask myself is, what is to be healed in this case? What is to be healed in this case? Hmm?
Firstly, remove to attachment of that guy.
Yeah. So you can see that it's a morbid. It's not a normal love affair, right? It is something is morbid here. So what is morbid in this relationship? What is morbid? It is the attachment, right?
Yes.
It is the attachment. So now we have to see, is this attachment common to this particular situation or it is global? So how do we know that, like what many times what I do is, this is, you can say that this is normal in a 17-year-old girl, it's a 16th age, it's a sweet 16, she has just completed a sweet 16. It is related to hormones, this is a kind which is built up by hormones. So how do we understand this attachment is normal or abnormal? Yeah. So what we see, we have to see that whether it's getting global. So you have to take some other aspects of a life, and you have to see that is this attachment unhealthy in her life in some other area of her life. So that is how you complete a case. So what we see here is that we have the same kind of attachment as Dr. Mansoor has it. We have the same kind of attachment to her dog also. Hmm? She goes crazy when he's sick. When he doesn't eat, she goes crazy. So now, what remedy? Many of us will have written that it is Malvale's. So, what Malvale remedy we'll give her? Right. So nobody has written the remedy. What remedy? Tilia lovesick. Pulsatilla. Right. Before we knew all this families, we used to think of Pulsatilla. She's a smiled girl. She's just crying for that guy. But when we know these families, we are very clear that where we have to go. Laccaninum. Mavika, we don't have any animal thing over here, although there is some tinge is there. I'll tell you where this tinge is coming, how this tinge is coming. But it doesn't have any me versus you, and we all know that we are doing plant series here. So it has to be a plant, right? So, as we are doing plant series, I'm showing you all cases only from plants. We see that this is a case of sensitivity. She says she's sensitive in one particular area of her life, and how these persons they react by adjustment. The only way a plant can adjust the sensitivity is by adjusting. It doesn't have any other tool like animals, right? So this is a plant kingdom. The family is Malvales. Why Malvales? Because we have a theme of attachment over here. We have to see opposite also in this case. Is there any signs of opposite? What do we see that in this case? So this is Malvale's family. Malvale's is a chocolate family. We all know about chocolate. It's proved by Dr. Suji Chatterjee, I guess. So this is a Malvale's family. Here the themes are attached and detached. It's attachment, joined together, connected, emotionally involved, merge with, adhesive. And the opposite is detachment, separated, isolated, disconnected, uninterested, on your own and detached. So in this we saw both the polarities. When she was too much attached with this guy, she was detached with her family. When she was too much in love with this boy, she was alienated from her family. She did not talk to her family. She was estranged. She used to be very irritable while talking to the family because she was so much into this guy. She was in that love bubble of love. So this is what is Malville's all about. The active reaction is loving, caring, warm, affectionate, communicative, outgoing, tied, united, desire for company, which made her fall into love. Even before she was in love with this guy, she was feeling estranged from the family. She was totally alienated. She was totally isolated. So she wanted this feeling of love in her family. So there was a desire for company. There was a desire to connect to bind, to bound, to be part of some, to have a relation. She was so alone in her family. She did not have anybody to talk to when her elder sister and her cousin, they left for further studies. So she says, I was totally lonely, ma'am. I did not have anybody to talk to. And at that point in my life, this guy came into my life and he gave me some importance. Means she got some warmth from this guy when she was totally alone. And that is what made her fall in love. So this is the theme of chocolate. So this is what we have seen in ads, right? So you'll have to see it in small only.
Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. I can reach your lips on your fingertips, in happiness in your eyes. Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. Close your eyes and kiss me. Cadbury Silk, how far will you go for love?
So these are the tender feelings which one wants to experience.
Kiss me,
You can see this also.
close your eyes and miss me. Close your eyes and kiss me. I can reach.
See this chocolate, the melting in the mouth, this has some relation to the whole family. I'll explain. Just observe these. These are sensations. When you eat the chocolate, this expression is a sensation, and that is a sensation of Malville's. So just watch these.
Read your lips on your fingertips. I can feel your smile come on my lips, and happiness in your eyes. Kiss me, close your eyes, kiss me. Close your eyes. Whole Turkish hazelnuts in the new Silk Hazelnut.
जल्दी करो जल्दी कुर्सी आ गई सुबह से कहाँ गायब थे
बाबा बचपन से लेकर मेरी बात नहीं हुई तो सुनो फराज की पोस्ट हाँ फिर से हो गई है अम्मी होती थी तो थोड़ा सहारा रहती
एक चॉकलेट अम्मी के लिए
I बहुत टफ हो गया यार। मेरी बात नहीं है। नो फराज की पोस्ट कैसे हो गई है? अम्मी उठती तो थोड़ा सहारे रहती।
एक चॉकलेट अम्मी के लिए
टफ हो गई है।
महरोही रंगों को फूलों से चुनता जो जादू है, पलकों से मिलकर जो तारों को छूता वो जादू है, जादू है, जादू है। कोसे की बूंदों को उंगली पे गिनता जो जादू है,
आपका चेंज।
सुंदर सी दुनिया को सुंदर ही रखता वो
हैप्पी बर्थडे अम्मी
जादू है, जादू है, जादू है।
कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए।
मुझे एक और कैडबरी दे दो गॉड प्लीज प्लीज गॉड प्लीज
Stop it.
प्लीज प्लीज गॉड प्लीज गॉड कैडबरी दे दो गॉड कैडबरी मिल गया मेरे लिए भी मांग लेता नेक्स्ट टाइम ओके
रैपर मैं फेंक दूं? कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए। कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क।
So this is what Malville's family is all about. So what you could see, what you could experience in these what you could see in these advertisements, it's all about love, it's all about chocolates, it's all about gifts, it's about birthdays, it's about teddy bears, it's about small little surprises, it's about diamonds, it's about gifts. So what we say, what we see in these chocolate ads is what Malville's family is all about. This tender love. Do you think this love is grounded? This love is mature? This love is only about these expressing these tender feelings of love, right? So even if somebody doesn't know about the themes of Malville's family, how these people are able to extract everything into their advertisements, because it's universal. This is homeopathy is a universal law. So this is not like like only homeopaths know it. People like who are working in advertisement area, they know that what a chocolate, what a chocolate does to people, what is the chocolate about. So all these tender feelings, so these are all the feelings of chocolates: the tender love, the affection, the warmth, the connection, the it's basically the attachment of with the mother. It's the attachment with your near and dear ones. It's the attachment with your surroundings. It's the love. And if you don't get this love from your parents or with your immediate caregivers in childhood, you keep on searching for this love and you feel alienated and estranged from now. So these are the two poles of Malville's. Normally you see that what kind of, when you go come into teenage, there is a rebel within you then most of these themes are seen, that if you're not saturated with love from your parents at very young age, you'll end up being rebel. So this is what is a chocolate family. This is attachment with the mother, the first touch. So the first touch with the mother is nourishment, it's the connection to the breast. So as we have in lakhs, we have the same in here. If there is no connection, if the bond between the mother and child is broken, the pathology occurs. So this is, and the melting, uh, the melting. When you have that chocolate, I told you all to watch that experience when it was melting in the mouth. So that is the experience when they have researched with the chocolate, what is the addiction, what these chocolates addicts feel. So that experience of melting chocolate in the mouth is the same experience as a infant has when he is sucking the breast, he's at the breastfeeding. So it is the same kind of melting feeling the chocolate gives. So that is why when you are lovesick, you have more craving for chocolate. And that is how the proving is done, and the same feelings have been seen. So here the remedy was given was chocolate. What remedy will give here? So completely involved with the taste and texture, doesn't want anything else, kind of addiction. Yeah, this taste, texture completely involved is, it's the nourishment which you get from that, the nourishing and the tenderness and the warmth. Cola, Abroma, chocolate. See, the first remedy, obviously, in this case, which I gave was chocolate, but it did not help much. So what I did was, I gave Abel Moshkas, and because of this, I wanted wanted a remedy from Malville's, because when I gave chocolate, she was much settled. She was able to be without him throughout the day. Like she says, ma'am, throughout the day I don't, because my mama keeps me busy and my work keeps me busy. She even joined the chartered accountancy courses, classes. She was able to sit in the classes also. Sometimes she just came out crying. When she saw a post of him being with some girl, she just left the class and she came home crying. So gradually, but with chocolate, what happened, that she was able to stay without him at during the day, but not at night. So what I did was, I wanted to see this mind fear alone being at night. So this was the thing. This is what I do is, this was substantially remaining even after giving the remedy chocolate. So this was the thing I had to work on. The partial totality, you can say that was covered, and this part was remaining. So now what I do is, in this whole rubric, I see what Malvale I get. What remedy from Malvale's I get in this case. So in this, I got Abel Moshkas. So this is how I work. Either when the Insight of Plants book was written by Dr. Shankar, and we were, we used to work on misms, but many times mism is not clear in my cases, or in most of the cases. In some cases, it is very clear because the pathology is there, which in this case, there was anemia only, but there was no pathology, which Abel Moshkas belongs to the typhoid group, but I couldn't see any typhoid kind of activity, or the whole, in the whole case. Like in the case of ipecac, I had shown you all how I could see the pace of typhoid in that case, but in this case I couldn't see anything. But only because of this rubric, I went to Abel Moshkas, and that helped. And she's out of it, out of him totally. She's doing her chartered accountancy, she's very happy. She's still into organizing parties for her mother's 50th birthday, or she's into, her mother is into cake making. They make cakes and ice creams and paste and chocolate, and even her mother has the same pattern of abusive relationship with her husband. So but she was not, I had told her mother to get registered with me, because somehow I believe that these everybody is connected to the mother through the umbilical cord, even that if it is not visible. So during that time also I told the mother that if you want her to be totally out of him, you have to also cut those cords of unhealthy or abusive relationships. But that time the lady, she did not, she was more into, pehle isko theek kar do, then I'll come. But now recently, I think last week, she has registered. What she says ki now she is in depression, that my daughter, she's out of all that, but now I am worried about whether she is eating or not. She is not eating up to the mark. Is she, like, the same concern the daughter had for Zoe. Now the mother says ki even now I am not able to go out of home. I am not able to stop thinking about my daughter. What if again she comes into the same pattern? So now it's the mother's time to go to the same, morbid attachment with the daughter. She is not able to come out of that. So she is registered recently. And the interesting thing is that making cakes and sweets and chocolates was her hobby. But at some point in her life, even the mother wanted to be stable economically, and she wanted to come out of her abusive pattern with her husband. So she started making cakes and pastries, and she's a very huge success in my area. So how you can see how the hobbies or your the creativity or the gifts, it's already, the gifts is there. So her hobby was chocolate making and cake making, and she makes very beautiful cakes. So now if we learn about what is this about Abel Moshkas, because this is a practical unknown remedy, I had never read about this remedy. So this is the beauty of understanding remedies from the family angle. You can give lesser known remedies also. So hibiscus, Abel moschus, or musk mallow. It's a plant belonging to Malvaceae family. It's a shrub. So what are the keynotes? It's trembling, paresis, or even paralysis of limbs with edema. There is migraine, sleepiness, trembling, and paralysis. So this is a physical, this acts on the female genitalia. With suborder Malvinae consists other families like Tiliaceae and Sterculaceae, in which tilia and cacao and cola nut are there. So the prominent affection of this is on female genital system. Uterus is an important seat of action. It seemed to have some effect on satiated center, producing alteration in eating habits, anorexia, feeling of emptiness in the stomach. So for a deficient digestion and mainly faulty assimilation. So this is the place where the chocolates works, you have people who don't eat properly, but they want to have these chocolates. So this chocolate has to do something with this satiety center. So there is anorexia also, and there is overeating also. This comes to a group. Nowadays, what we do is, like we can see Laccan. Bhavika has said the remedy Laccan. So this is coming to the nutrition line of remedies. Like we see Natrum line of remedies in periodic table. We have subclass 4, which is again, it has to do something with nutrition in plants and in animals. This will come to the LAC group of remedies. So we can move around in this area only. It's a nutrition line of remedies. And now you see why this nutrition is affected here, because it affects the society center, and there is an altercation in eating habits. So these are the other things. There's lots of changeability of the moods, whether they can be cheerfulness, excitement. Also, they can present as irritability, irritable, quarrelsome nature, followed by weeping, sadness, and dwelling on past disagreeable events. Again, there is something like natramure, right? So this lovesick feeling is described in tilia and chocolate, produce symptoms of being affectionate, need for love, motherly love, romantic love, or warmth, or cacao being loved as a drink in social and family get-togethers, shows its utility in problems related to giving and getting that very warm, affectionate, motherly love. So in Malvinaceae, thus there are people who can be very lively, cheerful, or they can be irritable or quarrelsome, like society, company, liking society company with some definite fears and sense of danger. So there is increased stimulation of the nervous system producing drug-like effects. Therefore, we see the symptoms like increased sense of strength and efficiency, can endure physical exertion without being fatigued and need for food. But unlike other drug remedies, the underlying differentiating feature is there is need for more of a romantic kind of love and lots of warmth and care. So if one is deprived or is disappointed in that sense, then it produces a sense of isolation and danger, as if alone in the world and thus very vulnerable. So there is a complete sense of indifference or aversion to loved ones or society in general. So malwales plus typhoid is there. There is a fear of animals or snakes, of spiders and snake venomous at night. Again, fear general animals of venomous of at night. So the fears are more pronounced at night. So this is from Dr. Shankaran's Plant Insight into Plants 2. Malware summary is attach, attached, attachment, join, bind, bond, bound, connect, connection, put together, tie, tied, union, emotion involved, detached, unattached, separated, separate, indifferent, estranged, disconnected. So this is the summary of malwales. The reaction, active reaction words are communicative, affectionate, company desires, outgoing, talkative, loving, caring, warm, friendly, kind, company desires. Compensation words are independent, self-confident, on your own, self-sufficient, self-supporting, and self-reliant. The sensation is attached and then detached, joined and then separated, together and then separated. So this is what is Malwale's family. So this was the case. And this girl, she sent me a very beautiful cake on when she was out of this. And she sent some cute note written on it, and there was a tag. There was a small cake and chocolate, and there was a note that "You're my Jahangir Khan." So it was a most again warm moment in my life when this small little baby, she's very fragile. She gave me this, that "You're my Jahangir Khan." So now she's out of it. She's pursuing her career, and this is how uh, this remedy helped her to come out of this. So instead of giving just Natramur for dwelling on some relationship and not coming, we normally used to give only Natramur and Ignatius, right? But this belongs again to the same group of remedies. It's the same line, the nutrition line. She wants that warmth from her family. And also, one more thing which comes to my mind is that the mother of this girl, when she was pregnant, her mother had expired. She had told me during her history when she came to me. So she lost her parents at a very small age, and when she was married, she says, I used to be around my mother-in-law throughout her life. She says, I was around my mother-in-law. I used to try to please her so much that if she was happy, my day was good. Like if she was happy with me, my day was good. And she was constantly around her mother-in-law. So she said, I spent so many years of my life just pleasing my mother-in-law. Like even if her husband told her, let's go out for a movie, she did not like to go with her husband because she thought her mother-in-law should be angry. So she spent so many years of her life just pleasing her mother-in-law because she has lost her mother. And when she was pregnant with this child, she lost her mother. And that's why this child has these traits of anemia, and anemia is covered with Ebel-Moschkus. So this girl was given transfusions also. But after Ebel-Moschkus, now she came to me only for 3-4 months, and she was better. But now recently, when last week her mother came, she says she did not require transfusions for 2 years after that. But the parents don't realize that it was because of Abel Moschkas or whatever the remedy, because they were given some allopathic remedy. But now when she came, they could make some connection that when she took remedies from you, after that 2 years she did not require any transfusion. But recently, and again last month, she has required transfusion. So maybe she will come again. So I'll have to keep on give her higher potencies of Abel Moschkas. I had given her 200 that time, only 2 to 4 doses. So the same history can be seen in mother also. And the mother had lost her mother during this pregnancy, right? So this was the case, and how instead of just going for remedies based on mysomes, when the mysom is not clear, sometimes it is very clear. So we don't, whatever is clear, whatever comes on the surface, we have to work with it. We can't make it a rule that if it is Abel Moschkas, we need to see the typhoid mysom, because here maybe when I see her history of her blood, the hematology history, maybe I can see some pattern there, but it is not obvious right now, as for now, right? So whatever is obvious, whatever is on the surface, the vital force has its own way of expressing. Vital force will not say, I have to, it will not follow the book, like, I have to express through, I have to show mysom also. It will show a rubric. So go with the rubric. Go with whatever comes on the surface, right? Differentiate with other malveals. Yeah. See, differentiation right now without a case, it's very difficult. I'm telling you, whatever comes on the surface. I don't have a case of cola, so I won't be able to do justice with it. Chocolate will have an acute presentation. So if I don't have that case, so it will be all theoretical. It will be based on the mysom until and I have an experience of the case. Right? So this is all for now. So we'll meet next week again. If you have any doubts, we'll work on it next time. Okay. So thank you. Thank you everybody for joining.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Your voice is not clear.
Just, ma'am, how change?
Your voice is breaking.
Changes. How changes you feel, ma'am, after this remedy given to her?
I didn't get your question. Just type it here, no? Hello. Hello, just type it here. Yeah, difference after this, I told you, she's pursuing her career. She has come back to her chirpy self. She's very outgoing now. She did not meet any of her friends before. Now she's making friends again. She's back to her bubbly self. She's back to her bubbly self, and she's doing her, she's following her this chartered accountancy course, which she was not able to do it before. And she's totally out of him. She's back with her family. She's again connected to her family. She's organizing again her mother's 50th birthday and parties and all. She's back to her normal self, and also she's making new friends. Right? So thank you so much for joining in. We'll meet again next week. Thank you.